Welcome to English Learn, your go-to channel for mastering the English language. Don't forget to like, share and comment on our videos. Subscribe for regular updates and new content that will enhance your learning journey.
English grammar can seem tricky. One thing that can be confusing is tenses. Tenses tell us when something happens. Are we talking about the past, the present, or the future? Tenses help us understand the timing of actions. Learning tenses is important for speaking and writing English well. When you use the right tenses, people understand you better. Your sentences become clearer and more accurate. In this guide, we will explore the 12 main tenses in English. We will keep things simple and easy to understand, especially if you are new to English grammar. Let's begin our journey to master English tenses. The present tenses help us talk about things happening now, things we do regularly, and things that started in the past but continue to the present. The present simple tense is used for actions that happen regularly or habitually. We also use it for facts and general truths. Structure subject plus base verb plus s or es for third person singular. Examples: I drink coffee every morning. That's a habit. The sun rises in the east. That's a fact. She works as a teacher. That's a regular action. The present continuous tense describes actions happening at the moment of speaking. Structure: subject plus is, am, or are, plus verb ending in ing. Examples: I am eating breakfast right now. They are playing football in the park. She is studying for her exams. Section 2.3, Present Perfect, the past connected to now. We use the present perfect tense to talk about actions that happened in the past but have a connection to the present. Structure subject plus has or have plus past participle of verb. Examples: I have finished my homework. The effect of finishing homework is still relevant. They have traveled to many countries. Their travel experience is still with them. She has lived in London for 5 years. She is still living in London. Section 2.4, Present Perfect Continuous doing it since morning. This tense is used for actions that started in the past and are still continuing in the present. It emphasizes the duration of the action. Structure subject plus has or have plus been plus verb plus ing. Examples: I have been waiting for the bus for an hour. Still waiting. They have been playing video games all day. Still playing. She has been studying English since she was a child. Still studying. Section 3, Past Tenses, Journey Back in Time. Now let's step back in time and explore the past tenses. These tenses are used to describe actions or events that happened in the past. Section 3.1, Past Simple, What happened yesterday. The past simple tense is used for actions that happened and were completed in the past. The structure is subject plus past tense of the verb. Here are some examples. I went to the market yesterday. This is a completed action. They watched a movie last night. Again, a completed action. And she ate her lunch an hour ago. Another completed action. Section 3.2, Past Continuous painting a picture of the past. The past continuous tense describes an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. The structure is subject plus was or were plus verb ending in ing. For example, I was studying when you called. This indicates an action in progress in the past. They were playing cricket yesterday afternoon, another action in progress in the past. And she was cooking dinner when the doorbell rang. Again, an action in progress in the past. Section 3.3, Past Perfect, the past before the past. The past perfect tense is used to talk about an action that happened before another action in the past. The structure is subject plus had plus past participle of the verb. For instance, I had finished my work before I went to bed. This shows an action completed before another past action. They had already eaten when their friends arrived. Another action completed before another past action. And she had left the office by the time I called. Again, an action completed before another past action. Section 3.4, Past Perfect Continuous, a continuous action in the past. We use this tense to describe a continuous action that was happening before another action in the past. The structure is subject plus, had plus been plus verb plus ing. Here are some examples. I had been waiting for an hour when the doctor finally arrived. This shows a continuous action before another past action. Another example. They had been playing football for 2 hours before it started raining. Again, a continuous action before another past action, and one more. She had been working on that project for weeks before she finally finished it. This also illustrates a continuous action before another past action. Section 4. Future tenses, a glimpse into tomorrow. The future tenses allow us to talk about things that will happen in the future. We express our plans, predictions, and expectations using these tenses. Section 4.1. Future simple. What will happen? The future simple tense is used for actions that will happen in the future. The structure is subject plus will plus base verb. For example, I will go to the park tomorrow. Another example, they will meet us at the restaurant, and one more, she will study hard for her exams. Section 4.2, future continuous ongoing action in the future. The future continuous tense describes an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. The structure is subject plus will be plus verb ending ing. Examples, I will be studying at this time tomorrow. They will be traveling to Europe next month. She will be working on her new project all day tomorrow. Section 4.3, future perfect completing something by a future time. We use the future perfect tense to talk about an action that will be completed by a specific time in the future. The structure is subject plus will have plus past participle of the verb. Examples, I will have finished my work by 6 p.m. They will have arrived at the airport by the time we get there. She will have graduated from university by next year. Section 4.4, future perfect continuous. How long in the future? This tense is used to talk about the duration of an action up to a specific time in the future. The structure is subject plus will have been plus verb ending in ing. Examples, by next month I will have been living in this city for 5 years. By the time they arrive, we will have been waiting for 2 hours. By next year, she will have been studying English for 10 years. Section 5. Conclusion tenses unlocked. Congratulations. You have now journeyed through the 12 main tenses in English. Remember, understanding tenses is crucial for effective communication in English. Practice using these tenses in your everyday conversations and writing. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. With regular practice, you'll become more confident in your ability to use English tenses correctly and speak and write with greater fluency and accuracy. Keep practicing and soon